Hi. Bless you. Hi. This is what you see up high, huh? See up in the trees.
Here is James watching the eclipse and making eclipse soup. And we got some glasses so James can see the eclipse. It's getting dark. Jacob's out here watching the eclipse too. Jacob is not happy about the eclipse.
Here, he needs his glasses on. That's fine. Here, James. Watch out.
There he is. Look at Jacob.
There. Now it's nice and dark.
Jacob is not happy about the eclipse at all. I think he's just not happy about the cold air.
Jacob is crying.
Kind of cold. Here's James looking at the sun. And here's Sarah and Jacob. It's covered up as most as it's going to go. Jacob is sleeping because it's dark. So when it gets dark and the sun gets covered up, the babies go to sleep. The babies crawl into little holes and hide and sleep.
Yeah.
I thought the birds were supposed to fly in weird patterns and smell really weird words in the sky, and we're supposed to stop chirping and go to sleep. It's not working. There's the sun. It's right now. There it is. All right, that's the most it's going to be covered up right now. Let's take a look. Where's my lens? There's the lens. There we go. Oh, come on. If I can get it. There we go. There you go. That's the most it's going to be covered up from Amarillo, Texas. Hey, Jacob.
Wait, the two.
Do it again. Smile.
You're the
You
two
smile, Jacob.
boys.
Smile. There's a smile. There's a smile. The two sweet boys. Yeah.
Yeah, which are both happy.
Both happy sweet boys.
All that I need to be happy is Skip.
Yeah.
Hello, Jacob. Hello. Hello, Jacob. Hello, Jacob. Hello, Jacob. Hello. Hello. Hi, Jacob. Hi, Jacob. Hello.
Yes. With no cheese. Yeah. All right. Thanks. All right.
Hello, Jacob. back to it. Hello, Jacob. Hello. Hi, Jacob. Uncontained level 39
Picture of you and him.
Here, you can do a picture really quick. Hey, Jacob. We're going to take a look at him holding his head up. Look at you sitting up like that. Is your tummy getting tired holding yourself up?
So, here's the tree.
Jacob. Hey, Jacob. Hey, Jacob. Look at that. You're sitting up by yourself. You're kind of wobbly, but look, you're doing it. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Two boy.
Whoa, look, you're sitting up. You're sitting up. Wow.
Whoa.
And it's okay if you fall back because there's a pillow there. Whoa. You're kind of swerving. You're looking everywhere.
Bye, Jacob.
He falls the opposite direction of where he looks.
There you go. Bye-bye. Hey, Jacob. You doing so good. You're doing so good. Yeah. And you're holding your head up. You're holding your head up. Yeah.
Look at James. James is doing so good holding his head up now. You're holding your head up great.
Yes. Oh. Yeah, there you go. Look at Daddy. Hey.
James is sneaking around underneath. Look at James. He's holding his head up really good. He's holding his head up really good now.
James, you want to?
Wow, his neck is getting really strong. Just the
Jacob,
other day. And
I
so
do
is James's.
something.
Look at that. James is really holding his head up.
Jacob's not a happy camper. He's a happy Jacob.
Yep, he's not camping right now.
He's just happy Jacob.
We'll be camping in a hotel, though,
That's right.
next week.
Oh.
By this time next week, James will be in a hotel. Actually, we won't be in a hotel. We'll be out exploring
That's right.
at this time next week.
We'll be in NASA.
We'll probably be at NASA at this time next week, looking at the Saturn V rocket and showing Jacob and James
Yeah,
how
showing
big it
both
is.
of us.
Yeah. James will remember it better now.
Do you see both of us?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you hold your head up too, James? Look at James. Oh, he's doing it. Look, they're both holding their heads up. There's two heads. There's now two heads on the pillow. There used to only be one.
Oh my God.
Two-headed
Look at the two heads on the pillow. Two heads. James can even shake his head now. Are you wiggling around like Jacob?
So sweet. You're so sweet. I love you. glad you're happy.
Are you videoing?
Yes.
Hi. Hello. Hi, Jacob. He's smiling.
Yeah. Can you say some more? Okay. Here, move your hand, James. You gonna say some more words? You were talking in all kinds of syllables. Yeah.
Yeah.
You gonna say some more words? You were saying like whole sentences. Yeah. And yeah.
It sounded like you said again.
Again. Wow.
That's gonna help us a lot on knowing his voice.
That's right. It's a sweet voice.
Yeah. Every baby is special.
That's right. Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's just gotta say longer
A
and
Lincoln
longer
gonna.
sentences.
You gonna say some words? You saying words?
Yeah.
You telling your big brother? Yeah. Tell your big brother all about it. Yeah. I see you. Yep, I see you. Goodness, goodness, yeah. Ain't that it? Here, you say something back to him. He's talking to you, so then you can say something.
You're my favorite little Jacob. And you're my favorite little baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're my favorite little baby Jacob.
I think he's saying you're my favorite big brother, James.
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying? Jacob is talking.
And I think the older he would get, the longer sentences he would say.
Yep, and the actual
Yeah.
real words he'll use. He'll
Yeah.
figure out what words mean.
He kicked me.
Yeah, he's
It's
just
fine.
building those muscles, huh?
Yeah.
Look like you're gonna say something. Are you gonna say something for bye-bye? You gonna say something for bye-bye? Yeah. Oh, now he wants to walk. All right. Bye. Bye, Jacob.
Bye. Everybody, do you want to say bye? Bye. You say bye? Bye.